All right, good morning, friends. Well, technically afternoon. I was requested to try out doing a timing trial between the sport and the fusion. So my kids requested taquitos, so that's what we're making today. So I'll go ahead and show you when I get everything loaded up. We're gonna have this equal amounts of numbers, or equal amounts of taquitos in each tray, so that way we can see if the same amount of food fits in here will cook in the same amount of time as it goes in here. So we'll go ahead and try that out. I'll show you when I have it loaded. Here we are, fully loaded. I have 8 taquitos, as you can see, lined end to end. This is obviously not going to be as long as you had already known. So what I did is I put the 4-pack, so it's 2, 4, 6, and 8. I put the 4 across where it's going to be at the far end, and that's usually the hottest part of the solar oven when you're cooking. So we'll see if we can try that out, and I'll show you when it's loaded. All right, here we are, my friends. So we got it in here, and we're going to go ahead and push that shut so that way it can build up its light. Or heat. Light. Sheesh. Okay. And we have both of them running tandem. We have a beautiful day. We had a nice snowstorm yesterday. It was very cold, so as you can see, it's a little chilly, but not too bad. So I will see you guys in 20 minutes when we can start taking temperature readings. All right, here we are, friends, at 20 minutes. So I'm gonna have to turn this. Of course, you know, I didn't plan correctly, and I have these two facing each other, which is really not the smartest thing to do. All right, come on. Oh, come on. Here we are. I have my thermometer, if I can get it open, and so we're gonna go ahead and stick it inside this taquito. And the temperature right now is going up. We like that. All right. There we go. These are soft. I am gonna put them back in to steam. We're slowing down. Are they going up? No, we're not. We're still going up. Okay, so we stopped around the 178. Oh, so, yeah, now it's just going down because it's cold out. So I'm gonna go ahead and close that real quick. Let me pause it. All right, back to where we are. I'm gonna close that really quick, and I have it steaming out because we like our taquitos just a little crispy. There we go. Just steam that really quick, and here we are. I'm gonna check the back of the fusion. Let's see if I can get that. Okay. Get that, oh, doggone it. Okay. So here we are, checking the temperature on the fusion. As you can see, it's going ahead and creeping up. I'm trying to close this a little bit so not too much heat escapes. It's kind of one of the drawbacks to living where it's chilly. Currently we are at 79. Oh, you know what? It's going down now. So, as you can see, right now, the fusion is not heating up at the same temperature with the same types of, they're the same amounts of things. I will continue to cook these, so we will follow along with our cooking, so you can see the actual time it takes between the two of them and see the difference between them. What I'm gonna say, because I know the question is like, the reflectors are bigger on the Fusion than they are on the Sport. However, the size of the tube and the amount of time it takes to heat up the size of the tube is probably why it takes so much longer for the Fusion. So you're looking at about 15-20 minutes heat up time for the Fusion. And in that time, that's my lovely Poochie talking to all the dogs in the neighborhood. And in that time, not only has this heated up, but under kind of thawed or fresh food circumstances, the food's either done or close to done by the 20-minute period. So we will follow along so you can see how long it takes for each one to cook. And I'll see you guys in a little bit. Here we are, my friends. We did an extra 20 minutes. These actually should be absolutely perfect. Nice and crispy. Oop, that one burst. So maybe the 20 minutes was a little too long. Oop. Helps if I hold the right button. Yeah. So even at the entrance where it was somewhat hanging open, we're at looks like we're gonna creep up towards the 200 range. Let's see. All right, so we're over at 200 right at the entry point. So give me 1 second. I'm going to close this up so I don't lose any more heat. All right, here we are at, so I closed that up. Here we are. This is the full 40 minutes for this one. Oh, let's turn it. Doggone it. Now it's piping hot. Doggone it. Here we are. And here we are. Right about that range that it was when we were at the 20-minute point with the GoSun Sport. So these are still a little soft. What I'm gonna do, and I don't know if I'm actually exactly at that range, that was like 20 minutes ago. So I would say, actually, I want that open just a hair. Not too much, just enough to let the steam out. So another 15-20 minutes on that, and that'll be actually really good to go. Had I left it alone and not opened it probably twice now, I think that would have been good at about 40. Those are pretty good at 45 minutes. I'm only going to let it go for another 10-15 just to let them crisp up. We like them a little crispy. So there you go. There is your comparison side by side, same quantity of taquitos, same items, and hopefully that helped you out a little bit in forming your decision. If there's anything that you liked, if you like these and you actually end up getting them, go ahead and check out my description. I have a sales code. Well, not a sales code. Well, it is a sales code, but it's a coupon code. It doesn't cost you any money. In fact, it gives you a discount, 15% discount on any GoSun products if you are interested. And I hope to see you guys again. If you have any more suggestions or questions that I can try out, please go ahead and send me a message or drop it in the comments, and we can see if we can take care of that. See you guys later.